There are channels that started less than 2 months ago already pulling in $20,000 per month. And if you look at what they're actually doing, most of them are just AI generated content with just a voiceover and a thumbnail. No face, no studio, no team. Just AI doing most of the heavy lifting. But here's what nobody tells you. Running one of those channels is not actually how you make serious money. AdSense revenue is a side effect. The real money is in what you sell on top of it. And I'm going to show you exactly what that looks like in this video, on top of giving you 5 new AI faceless niches with $10,000 a month potential. My name is Fred. I run a digital product business where I teach people how to build and sell online courses using AI. The opportunity is very real and it's way more accessible than most people think. Okay, so let's get into the niches. But before I do, I need to mention something really important because if you miss this, you're going to waste a lot of time and money. A lot of people see these faceless channels printing views and they think, great, I'm gonna start a faceless YouTube channel and make money from AdSense. And sure, that works. But AdSense alone is not a business. It's lottery-style income. You're completely at the mercy of the algorithm and one bad month wipes you out. The channels that are genuinely building wealth, the ones making $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 a month consistently, they're not just collecting AdSense checks. They're using the channel to drive traffic to something they sell, an ebook, a course, a coaching offer. That's where the real profits are. Think about it. A video that gets 10 million views might earn somewhere around $50,000 to $100,000 in AdSense over its lifetime. But a person watching that video and buying a $500 course, that one sale took you 5 minutes and cost you nothing. Now multiply that by 1,000 buyers. That's $500,000 from people who were already watching your content for free. That's the model. That's the game. The content brings the audience, the attention, the eyeballs. The digital product is where you actually make the money. And by the way, if you've already been thinking about making money with AI, but you're not sure where to actually start, I put together a completely free course that breaks down the exact system I use. It shows you step by step how to build real income with AI so you're not just watching content and doing nothing with it. And if you want me to guide you personally and tell you exactly which course you should be doing, how to sell it, etc., you can book a free one-on-one call with me too. Both links are in the description right below this video. Now, I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, Fred, that sounds great, but I don't have anything to teach. I'm not an expert in anything. Well, let me tell you something, and I really need you to hear this. AI has completely eliminated the need to be an expert to create and sell a course. I'm not kidding. You can pick any of these niches I'm about to show you, use AI tools like Claude or ChatGPT to research the topic in depth, pull together the best information that exists on the internet, structure it into a proper curriculum, write a full script, and also have AI generate the voiceover or like the AI avatar. You're not lying to anyone, you're not faking expertise. You're creating good high quality knowledge that already exists and packaging it in a way that's easier for people to consume. That's literally what teachers and educators have always done. AI just makes it 10 times faster and cheaper. So here are 5 niches right now with serious $10,000 a month potential when you combine the content side with a digital product on the back end. The first one is the ancient history and mysteries niche. Channels in this space are doing insane numbers. We're talking videos like 7 ancient discoveries that defy all explanation, getting 10 million views. The RPM in this space is solid, somewhere around $6 to $10, and the audience is obsessed. You can create a course on ancient history, ancient civilization, or even a compiled guidebook and sell it directly to that audience. It works. The second niche is what I'd call biblical wellness. Someone took the Bible niche and merged it with the health niche, and it's producing channels that monetized in their first month. Videos about biblical foods, ancient remedies, God's medicine, that kind of angle. The health niche alone typically pulls a $7 to $8 RPM. You pair that with a digital guide or a course around faith-based wellness, and you've got something that sells itself. The third niche is Japanese parenting and culture. There are channels that started 1 month ago and already have over 1 million views on a single video. The angle is calm, disciplined, structured parenting, and it speaks to a massive audience of parents who feel overwhelmed. You don't need to be a parent expert or to have 10 kids yourself. You use AI to compile the research, build a simple parenting course or a PDF guide, and you've got a product that basically sells itself to that audience. The fourth niche is the fitness explanation niche. There are channels using a whiteboard style format to explain gym splits, workout science, muscle physiology. The fitness niche is evergreen. It never dies. And it's a perfect vehicle for selling a structured training program or a digital course. The production is simple. The AI voiceover works perfectly here. And the audience has buying intent because they are already trying to improve their body, which means they won't spend money. The fifth niche is the alternative energy and self-sufficient niche. Channels covering things like off-grid cooling systems, DIY home energy, that kind of content. It sounds niche, and it is, which is exactly why it works. Tight niche, high-intent audience, and people in this space buy guides and how-to products all day long. You create the channel with AI-generated content and sell a step-by-step digital guide on top of it. Simple. Here's the process in plain terms. You pick one of these niches. You use AI to write your scripts based on what's already working in the niche. I personally recommend Claude for that. You use a tool like 11 Labs for a voice clone or an AI voice. You use HeyGen if you want an AI avatar so you never have to show your face. You get the video edited either by a cheap freelancer or AI-assisted tools. And you build a simple course or digital product on the back end that the video links to. That's it. That's the whole system. The AI does the heavy lifting. You just need to set it up and keep it running. Look, you've just seen 5 niches that are working right now, and you've seen the model that actually makes money. The question is whether you're gonna do something with it or just move on to the next video and stay exactly who you are. I made a free course that walks you through the exact system, how to pick your niche, how to set up the content machine with AI, and how to build the digital product that actually makes you money. Most people would charge for this. It's completely free for you. You can grab it in the description below. And if you want me to sit down with you one-on-one, look at your specific situation and tell you exactly what course to sell, how to sell it, if you should do a personal or faceless brand, all of that, you can also book a free call with me. Now, I don't do many of these, so the spots go really fast. Both links are below in the description. Go get it.